If you love the look of shakers, but the thought of all that foam tape and cutting acetate and lining everything up is just too much sometimes, then I've got the quickest and easiest way to create a shaker card inside an aperture without worrying about any of that. And it comes from the Humble Cello bag. So save all your bags from your packaging. Occasionally they might have air holes in. They should have air holes in. I just like to cover those over with a little bit of clear tape. If you have done this, just pop an anti-static bag just inside and make sure you put some anti-static powder on the underside of the tape so that your sequin, your beads, whatever it may be, don't stick to the little sticky dot that's in there. Then fill up your cello bag with your chosen sequins or beads. Make sure they are all reasonably flat and fold and stick the bag to the size that you need. Now for this one, I'm going to go horizontally and I'm going to put it on the inside of my card here. So I'm going to fold just here and along like so. Now I'm going to adhere it using a double-sided tape, and this is just going to go around the edges of my bag. Obviously choose the tape width depending on what space you have. So I won't be able to put any tape just here or here, but I can certainly do the top and the bottom. So just peeling those off and then putting this inside my card over my aperture, and I don't tend to bring the bag much lower than my aperture there because you're not going to see down there anyway. And look at that, so we've actually got a really quick shaker. Now because naturally the bag will have a little bit of air in it, that allows the sequins to move around. If we didn't have that, if it lay completely flat, then there wouldn't be much movement there. But this just eliminates the need for any foam tape. Of course you can go ahead, cut yourself another aperture to seal all of that in from the inside if you wish, but it's still much flatter, much quicker and easier than the traditional method of creating a shaker card. I hope you enjoy this very quick tip today for our CraftStash 3-minute card making hacks. You can find more just here, and of course don't forget to subscribe to the CraftStash YouTube channel just here.